Bouguereau is someone that we look to as not only an expressive painter who would show human emotion in his paintings, but who did it in such a skilled, technical way that we can't help but appreciate the craftsmanship. His drawing was superlative. His finishing of the skins was so beautiful that a lot of his female figures had almost porcelain-like skin. What we're going to get out of this workshop is a wonderful understanding of his technique, of his process, of the influence of how much drawing is an important cog to putting that painting together. We're going to really look very closely at how he shifts his tones from warm to cool, how we can match those wonderful skin tones that he attains. There's a lot to admire about Bouguereau. This is what makes this workshop a wonderful opportunity to really delve into the way the man thought and get a better understanding of French academic painting.